I'm very happy that you're here, and today we're going to be learning about rocks. Do you guys know anything about rocks? What do you know? They're hard. Okay, very well. What else?
Some are big, some are small.
Some are big and some are small.
They're different colors.
They're different colors, and we're going to just find out.
I like rocks.
You like rocks. That's wonderful, because we're going to be learning why rocks look, feel, and have different shapes as they do in nature. Okay? Okay, very well. So we're going to be looking at types of rocks. We have three basic types of rocks. And the first type of rocks we're going to talk about are sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are those rocks that can be found on the top layer of our earth. That is, rocks that are made by the mixture of different chemical compounds, or they're made by different organic components of live beings. Okay, this can be animals or this can be plants. Sedimentary rocks have different forms, and they're made on the top surface. Remember, we were talking about that? And they are created throughout time very slowly. Okay? The next type of rocks we're going to be talking about are igneous rocks. Does anybody have any idea what igneous might mean? Igneous, when you ignite, when something burns. Very well, when something burns. So igneous rocks can be found in the middle layers of our planet. And these rocks are made from molten lava or molten rock that has been heated at very high temperatures. You know that the inner core of our planet is very, very hot. So heat comes up, certain rocks melt, some mix with other types of rocks, and we can see that they create igneous rocks. Igneous rocks then are those rocks that have been heated at very high temperatures and may be mixed with others and create different types of rocks. All right? Very well. Very well. I will be giving each of you a label. Okay? We have igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Okay? Very well. If I tell you that these rocks have been formed on the surface of our earth and have different types of chemical components, and they can be made either from living or non-living organisms, which one would it be? Igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic? Sedimentary, very well. Very good, Maddie. Very good. Okay, if I tell you that these rocks were made under tremendous heat, what type of rocks would they be? Igneous, very well. Thank you, Alex. Okay. Could you tell me which rocks are formed by the cooling of magma from a volcano? Which one would it be? Igneous, very well. Could you tell me which rocks are made by mixing rocks under tremendous pressure under the earth? Metamorphic, very well. The three different types of rocks that we can find on our planet.
Sedimentary, metamorphic, and
igneous, very well. So we know that we have three different types of rocks. However, these rocks can be made of different types of minerals. Minerals are all those components that are found on our planet that make up what we know as rocks, okay? Or the earth on the planet that we live on. Okay, so we have different types of components here, mineral components, and we can find these different types of minerals and different types of rocks, all right? Here we can see that there are native elements that may be found in all rocks. These native elements are iron, silver, sulfur, and carbon. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be defining what these different types of rocks are with our labels. Our labels are the same as the ones that we can find here. And you're going to be matching these labels that I have here in my hand with the definitions that can be found here. All right? And we're also going to be finding different types of rocks. And you're going to be matching them to these that you find in the images. Okay? So we find our labels here, and we have our real rocks here. So, boys and girls, get to work. Hands on. now start working with your rocks. Very
Should
good.
we work with these ones too?
Whichever ones you want to use, yes. Now, tell me, why do you think this rock is red?
It's
Because I did not hear you.
because it has iron.
Because it has iron in it. Very well. Okay, very well. Very well. Now, which one might have carbon in it? Let's see. Let's look at a rock that might have exactly. That might have carbon in it. Exactly. Okay. Very well.
This one in the white.
This one's a marble.
This one over here.
Probably has sulfur in it. Exactly. You're very right. That looks like something that might have sulfur in it too.
Yes. So this one.
Very well.
So then
Continue
this one-
working. Well, exactly. You're doing very well. Very well. So today I think you've learned a lot. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, you've learned about the 3 different types of rocks and the minerals that they're made out of.